celebrating World Public Transport Day. Right? So what is the meaning of transport? Transport, moving from one place to another place. Either it may be a person or it may be some goods. So we will be transporting the things or a person from one place to another place. That is called as a transport. Now what is the difference between public transport and private transport? Public transport means what? Public transport, no, we will be sharing the vehicles with the other people. Like in the buses, almost 20 to 40, the capacity of buses it can carry up to 20 to 40 people. So that is called as a public transport where many people can travel at a time to one place. Okay, their destinations may be different, but the bus or whatever the public transport is there, like an aeroplane, bus, whatever it is, it can carry so many people at a time. Right, so what is better? Public transport is better or private transport is better? Public transport is better. Why? Because we have seen in the Delhi nowadays the situation has changed. Last 2 months before we have got rainy holidays in our Telangana, right? Yes or no? So in Delhi they are getting pollution holidays. Right? What is happening is because of using more number of vehicles, the pollution, air pollution has been increased. So the government has declared a holiday for them almost for 1 week or for 13 days. They have declared the holiday. It happened recently in the last month I guess. So this is the situation. What is happening when we use more number of private vehicles? Okay, when we use more number of private vehicles, what is happening there? The carbon emissions which are coming from the vehicles, they increase the pollution, and this results in increase in the temperature of our atmosphere. And what happens if the temperature of atmosphere is increased? High school students can say this. What is the situation of condition called when the temperature of our atmosphere increases? Global greenhouse effect, and it results in global warming. And because of this global warming, what is happening? The conditions of the earth are changing. So that in reverse will have effect on whom? Right? That pollution effect will be there on us only. So directly or indirectly we are damaging our earth. So our government decided worldwide, it is celebrated worldwide, and they have decided to create awareness among the public transport. This is the reason why we celebrate Public Transport Day today. So what is the main theme of this Public Transport Day is to create awareness about the significance of public transportation and its positive impacts on society and the environment. And even to recognize the various modes of transport and to understand the transport system of our country. Right, so what are the different modes of transport we have? I am speaking only about public transport here. Modes of public transport. Yes, buses. Yes, trains. We are there on the roadways itself. We are not going up. Aeroplanes, ships. So development, obviously we will say that development is there. Initially, how the transport used to happen? What was the mode of transport initially? From our olden days, early days to this day, how the mode of transport used to be? They used to believe their legs. Yes or no? They used to move on their legs itself. Whatever the distance may be from one village to the other village, they moved on their legs itself. Later on, they started taming the animals. Taming means what? Taming. What is the meaning of taming? Growing generally used for transport. Donkey. So these all the animals they started using for transportation. Later on, what happened? There was invention of wheels also. Okay, wheels made the things happen easily, move from one place to another place. So like that, there was a development. From the legs, they started using different modes of transport, like different vehicles, like buses are there, aeroplanes we are using. Development is obviously there, but is there a sustainable development in our world? What is the meaning of we are increasing the pollution. There is no sustainable development. So that is not actually called as a development, right? Where we have to maintain both quality as well as quantity. When we maintain both, that is called as a sustainable development. We are showing the development, but sustainability is not there. Clear? So will you ask your parents to use bicycle after going home? At least you use. Okay, you believe your legs and you believe your bicycle. That will give you good health in turn. Instead of using vehicles and increasing the pollution, you use your bicycle. Okay, for small things, nowadays the children are like for going to shop also they are using bicycle. In the 10th to use your bicycle to go. It is not shame. They feel like it is very shame to use bicycle. See, inta pettaga in cycle dokkala. They simply think like that. But it is very good to use bicycle. It is a good exercise for you, and in turn you are giving your hands to protect the environment. You are not increasing the pollution. If you are using vehicle, you are causing damage to the environment, right? So vehicle is equal to damage. So mostly everyone should use bicycle. In this generation nowadays, in a busy life, we can't depend upon the bicycle because it will take lots of time and it will waste our energy also. Yes, so everyone will depend upon their own vehicles itself. So it is very better to use public transport, and I request all the, at least the students who are standing here, don't go for the vehicles, use the bicycle to reduce the pollution and to keep yourself healthy. Thank you.
Who is Transport Minister of India?
Nitin Gadkari.
Who
is the Transport Minister of India? Nitin Gadkari. Who is the Transport Minister of Telangana? Puvada Ajay Kumar.
Who invited Srinivasan? James White. Which was the first airline set up in India? Tata Airways. Name two cities between which the first train in India ran. Mumbai and Delhi. Which is the world's largest eco-friendly CNG passenger bus service under a single management? Delhi Transport Corporation. What was the first ever aircraft used by Wright brothers? Flyer. Thank you.